good morning, sir.
Hey, my beautiful son.
I know they come out with beautiful name, I beg. Person will not find what is born beautiful picking. Pa, I want to ask you one question, I beg.
Yeah.
You just a cost person full time. Okay. I be empty, I beg. Papa, the question when I want to ask you, I know say you know the answer. Even me, I be like say I know the answer, but since you be my father, I just want to ask you. Pa, me person dey snore for night. Wetin dey cause? As in snoring for night, wetin dey cause?
Two things.
Okay.
Number one, should be witchcraft.
Witchcraft. Okay.
Number two, I bet we don't finish. We don't be better for again. Person be say to do good in life na taboo. Person will go soon die.
That be say pa you go soon die because the way you did is snore for night. I bet where you get put your weed because the way you did is snore 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Pa you go soon die. Where you put your bed? Pa I know say you get one land for some. I need your weed. Pa where your weed dey? I want for where it dey. I beg. You go soon die, Papa.